Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on Motorola Signature. Okay, we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, scroll down until you find backup or copy data, and we just need to click on backup data. Don't look on copy data using Android Switch, because you can also read down below that this option is for bringing the data for our device from another, not for copying. So we need to click on backup data. Now, down below we can see the backup details. We need to make sure that photos and videos and other device data are turned on. If they are not, simply tap on them, make sure that the backup is enabled. Same thing with other device data, it needs to be turned on. Also down below we can see our Google account that we are currently signed into. Actually, you have to be signed in to create a backup. And in here we have our Google account, and it's important that we cannot forget it, because if you would like to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account. So simply don't forget your Google account and password to it. You also need to have some free storage space right in here. If you don't have enough, click on clean up space or get storage. And now we need to go back and hit this green button, backup now. The process will now begin. In here a small circle appeared and is going to slowly fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We will also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything goes just like it should. So I'll see you in a second once the process is done. Okay, the process has finished. We can see on the other device data that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so it's confirmation that everything went successfully. Also, if you click on that, we have the backup details and you can see what things has been backupped. In my case, I have no call history, so that is why it says no data backupped. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.